Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm so glad you found it. On this channel, we talk about the most recent fashion trends, the most iconic celebrity styles, and explore how fashion can become a form of self-expression. Today's spotlight is on someone who has redefined modern fashion with every single appearance. We're talking about Zendaya. She's not just a style icon, she's a fashion storyteller. From striking red carpet moments to structured suiting and editorial looks, Zendaya always knows how to make an impression. In this video, we're going to break down her fashion evolution, talk about her everyday style, explore her approach to red carpet dressing, and revisit her unforgettable Met Gala appearances. If you're ready to be inspired, let's get into it. Zendaya's popularity goes far beyond her fashion sense. She is an award-winning actress, singer, producer, and all-around cultural figure. She first rose to fame on Disney Channel, then transitioned into serious acting with standout roles in Euphoria, the Spider-Man franchise, and most recently in Dune and Challengers. What makes Zendaya stand out is the way she balances talent, intelligence, and authenticity. She chooses her projects with care and brings depth to every performance. At the same time, she's become a fashion icon who consistently makes headlines for her bold, creative, and thoughtful style choices. People admire her because she feels genuine. Whether she's on the red carpet, in an interview, or behind the scenes, Zendaya carries herself with calm confidence and focus. She uses her platform to speak on issues that matter and always stays true to her values. She's popular not just because of her success, but because she inspires others to own their identity, stay curious, and lead with creativity. Zendaya's fashion journey began early in the public eye, but her true style evolution started when she began working with stylist Loya. Together they built something that goes far beyond trends. Their partnership is rooted in creative direction, storytelling, and the freedom to transform. In the early 2010s, Zendaya's style was playful and colorful, filled with trendy pieces and bold accessories. Over time, she moved toward more sculptural silhouettes, refined tailoring, and powerful statement looks. She began drawing inspiration from past eras, cinematic characters, and even fictional archetypes. What makes Zendaya unique is her ability to shift from one aesthetic to another without ever losing her own essence. Her style is never just about looking good. It's about creating a visual experience. Every new chapter in her career brings a new layer to her fashion identity. Zendaya keeps her private life low-key, so there are not many casual paparazzi photos to work with. However, from what we do see through campaigns, interviews, and off-duty events, a few key themes come through. She often wears tailored suits in different forms. Whether it's oversized and slouchy or sharp and cropped, she knows how to wear a suit with power and ease. Monochrome dressing is another favorite of hers. She tends to lean into full beige, chocolate brown, ivory, or vibrant colors, depending on her mood and setting. She also gravitates toward architectural pieces. These could be strong shoulders, wide-leg trousers, long coats, or unique layering. Zendaya's everyday style is rooted in simplicity, but there is always a twist. There is usually one standout feature that elevates the look and gives it a sense of direction. She often wears Maison Margiela tabi shoes, which add an unexpected and edgy touch to her otherwise clean looks. We also see her pairing simple tops with midi skirts, especially styles that balance femininity with minimalism. Bermuda shorts have made a few appearances in her wardrobe as well, usually styled in polished, yet comfortable ways. At times, she keeps things incredibly simple, just a great pair of jeans and a cozy knit sweater, worn with ease and confidence. Her style in everyday settings feels modern, clean, and intentional. It's elegant without being too polished, and edgy without feeling forced. Zendaya is a chameleon when it comes to hair and makeup. She uses beauty as an extension of fashion, and it is never treated as an afterthought. She has worn every hairstyle you can think of. Long curls, short pixie cuts, locks, sculpted buns, braided styles, voluminous afros, and slick bobs. Many of these looks are achieved with wigs, which gives her the flexibility to match her hair with the mood of the moment. Her makeup is typically warm and glowing. She tends to go for a bronzed base, soft blush, defined brows, and a glossy lip. Sometimes she adds drama with metallic eyeshadow or a bold eyeliner look, especially for editorial shoots or evening events. What sets her apart is how cohesive everything always feels. The hair, makeup, and outfit are always speaking the same language. Zendaya's recent red carpet appearances have been nothing short of legendary. She has entered a new era of fashion dominance, where every look feels thoughtful, sharp, and perfectly in sync with her current projects. During the press tour for Challengers, her outfits referenced tennis, athleticism, and sensual minimalism. For Dune, she embraced futuristic silhouettes, desert tones, and armor-inspired pieces that reflected the world of the film. She dresses with context. Whether she's attending a movie premiere or sitting front row at a show, there's always a narrative. Her red carpet presence is not just stylish, it's intelligent, layered, and incredibly intentional. Zendaya's Met Gala appearances are unforgettable, and her post-2020 looks have only added to her legacy. In 2018, she dressed as Joan of Arc for the theme Heavenly Bodies. Her silver chainmail Versace gown was bold and dramatic, and the cropped red hair added to the story. The following year, for the camp theme, she wore a glowing Cinderella dress by Tommy Hilfiger that lit up on the carpet. Her stylist Law Roach played the fairy godmother and activated the lights with a wand. After a few years away, she returned to the Met Gala in 2024, with not one but two striking looks. She first appeared in a peacock-colored Maison Margiela gown, styled with dark, dramatic makeup and an almost theatrical presence. Later in the night, she surprised everyone by changing into a completely different look. A vintage Givenchy couture dress that gave off classic elegance with a modern twist. Zendaya approaches the Met Gala as a performance. Her looks are not just costumes, they are carefully constructed stories. Each time she attends, she reminds us that fashion can be theatrical, magical, and full of emotion. Zendaya-inspired outfits are all about presence. Think of clean lines, sculpted tailoring, and minimal pieces that carry impact. Whether it's a strong-shouldered blazer, a monochrome set, or a dress with an architectural cut, there is always a sense of purpose behind the look. Add a detail that surprises. Maybe it's the structure of the fabric, or the way you layer accessories. Zendaya's style teaches us that confidence is built into the outfit. You do not need a lot of elements to make a statement. You just need the right ones. She often plays with contrast in quiet ways. A soft knit paired with something structured, or a flowing shape styled with sleek shoes. These combinations feel fresh but still grounded. The result is an outfit that feels effortless without losing its edge. What truly defines Zendaya's style is how she wears everything with ease. It is not just about choosing the right pieces, but how they move, how they hold space, and how they reflect her mood in that moment. Zendaya has redefined what it means to be a fashion icon in the modern age. She is experimental, elegant, fearless, and endlessly creative. Her fashion is never just about trends, it's about expression and transformation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my work and lets me continue making more videos like this. Let me know in the comments which Zendaya era or look is your favorite and who you would like me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.